Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Python is installed and the executable path is known, then open your project folder in Visual Studio Code. Once done, look at the bottom left status bar to see the currently selected interpreter name. This gives context before changing anything. If the Python extension isn't enabled, install or enable it now so interpreter selection options appear. This step prevents confusion and readies the editor for explicit interpreter choosing. Now you'll choose the interpreter, open the command palette and run Python. Select Interpreter, which lists detected virtualenvs, conda-envs, and system installs. Select the one matching your project. If none match, choose Enter Interpreter Path and paste the executable. Make sure to create or activate a project virtual environment when needed so dependencies stay isolated. Once selected, VS Code will update the workspace settings and status bar, so you can run scripts with the intended runtime. Finish by verifying the interpreter. Run Python V or a short script to confirm the expected version and installed packages. Then persist the choice by saving it to workspace settings so teammates get the same interpreter when cloning the repo. If VS Code still shows the wrong interpreter, reload the window or reopen the folder. Failing that, add the full interpreter path manually to vscode/settings, JSON. If problems continue, check the Python extension logs and ensure the environment is activated before launching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.